Now, when we say whether you are Buddhist or not is primarily not in terms of a particular ritual or ceremony that is performed, and then they say you are Buddhist, you are not Buddhist. Not mainly in that sense. A Buddhist is somebody who takes refuge to Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. Now, taking refuge to Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha, you cannot do it through a short ceremony, okay, or ritual. But you need to personally investigate about who this Buddha is, what Dharma is, what Sangha is. Why should one take refuge in them? You have to develop that understanding. Now, according to the Buddha's teaching, it's human nature, nothing peculiar. It's human nature that whenever we have a problem, we take refuge in someone else. Like for example, at 12 o'clock, when you're hungry, you take refuge in food. When it's raining, you take refuge in umbrella, right? So similarly, as I already mentioned, we have all these sufferings and problems. Like obvious ones are old age, sickness, death. Nobody can avoid. So how can we remove these sufferings? We can remove these sufferings by having a good teacher. Buddha means taking refuge in Buddha means somebody who is completely enlightened. And then taking refuge in Dharma means somebody, the teaching of the Buddha, which is like medicine. Like when we are physically sick, we need a doctor. Just doctor is not enough, we need medicine. Just doctor and medicine is not enough because we are very sick, we need also a helper, a nurse, or three things we needed when we are physically sick. Exactly like that. When we mentally suffering from anger, jealousy, hatred, we need a physician like teacher Buddha, medicine like Dharma, and the helper like Sangha. So that's why that's the demarcation, whether you take refuge in Buddha, Dharma, or Sangha. So that, as I said, you cannot become a Buddhist just by saying I'm a Buddhist in the true sense of the term. Of course, loosely speaking, yes. Then we say I am born in Tibet, I'm Buddhist. We say like that. But very strictly speaking, it's not that easy, even that one. Yeah, that is actually the four seals are kind of almost like primary philosophy. That all conditioned things are impermanent. All contaminated things lead to suffering. And all phenomena are empty and selfless. And nirvana is peace. So these are called four seals, meaning that if you are Buddhist, then this is like if you get a notice with seal from a king, then you have to do it, you see. So similarly, this is like sealed. That's why we call it seal. This teaching, four teachings are like seals put by the Buddha. So if you are Buddhist, you need to follow this.